And here's I will show you how to insert and remove SIM card in iPhone. In your iPhone, in this left sidebar here, you will find this SIM tray option. So here we can see the SIM tray option. Now you have to use this kind of pin, and you find this pin in your iPhone box. So make sure you have this pin. Now all you have to need, let's remove this SIM tray. So I'm just inserting this pin into this little hole, as you can see, and you have to push a little bit, and here we can see the SIM tray successfully open. Now all you have to need, remove the SIM tray just like so, and here is my SIM card. Now let's add this SIM card in this tray. So here's my tray. I'm just adding the SIM card just like so. So put the SIM card into this tray right away, and then you have to reinsert the SIM tray just like so. And here we can see the SIM tray successfully inserted, and now here we can see the my SIM is working perfectly. So I'm going to turning on my iMessage. Let's go to cellular settings, and here as you can see my SIM is successfully inserted. So this is how we can actually insert and remove SIM card from iPhone. Thanks for watching.